Good morning, good morning. We have a lot to do today. We have to go to Dollar Tree and pick up some stuff because my daughter's birthday is next weekend and I need to get everything out of the way. We gotta get placemats, paper towels and stuff like that. And then we do have to stop at Five Below. I need to get some more hand sanitizer sprays. No, I just want more hand sanitizer sprays. And then we have to stop at Home Depot because my mom actually purchased a sand box for my daughter and we need to go pick up the sand. And then after that we need to go to Sam's Club and I need to get some candy bags for the piñata. And then after that we gotta go to Aldi to get just normal things. Let's go, we have a lot to do. All right guys, so we went, it is 12 p.m. first of all, and we got so much done. We are basically done with everything we needed to get and pick up. So the first thing, we went to Dollar Tree and I'll show you guys what we picked up there later on. Yes baby. And then after that we went to pick up the play sand at Home Depot, which is a curbside pickup, which was awesome. Got sand over mom's car. She was mad. Whatever, it is what it is. And then after that we ended up going McDonald's. And then we ended up going to Sam's Club and I got candy. Oh my gosh, candy's expensive. We don't eat candy in my house, so I did not know a bag of candy is 20 bucks. Ridiculous. But we got candy and we also got some sides for church for tomorrow, which we needed to get. We were gonna get it tomorrow morning, but now I got it, so we don't even have to worry about it. And then the last stop was Aldi and I got some stuff for the next 2 weeks and before we go on our trip for my husband and his lunch and like little snacks and breakfast and stuff like that to make it easier for us. I'll share with you guys with that as well. But we did forget tomato sauce for what my mom's gonna make for dinner today, so she went to go get that right now at a different Aldi. But we're done. Oh, and then we picked up a Happy Meal for my daughter. She wanted a Happy Meal. So we went to get that. Again, it is 12 p.m. and we finished everything we needed to do for the list of today that we needed to pick up. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy we got everything done. I wanted to get everything done early before I started cramping because today is day 1 of flow. So I really wanted to get everything as much as I possibly could. You want to show them the toy? Let me see. And this is the toy she got. There you go, baby. I'm here. All right, I'll share with you guys what we got. Okay, so at Aldi we got bread. Again, guys, this is going to be for 2 weeks, and then hopefully something will kind of linger around so that I can put it in the fridge for when we come back. And I got some asparagus, bacon, salami, some turkey meat for my husband's lunch. I got a whole bunch of these chicken sausage. He loves these for lunch, so I got 6, so 3 of each flavor. Again, it's going to be, I already checked the expiration dates, we're good for the next 2 weeks. And then obviously for when we come back, cheeseburger sandwiches, wraps. They expire end of next month, which is perfect. Again, for his lunch, spinach. And then these 2 are for church tomorrow. And then I got some cheese Danish from Aldi. He loves that. And then we got some Dino nuggets that we ran out of at Sam's. I got this. My daughter's been loving the regular popcorn, so let's see if she likes those 2. I got some garbage bags that I needed. Salad for church. And then I did also get these 2. I just kind of threw them over here. Candy bags for the piñatas. Then at Dollar Tree, I got these. You guys know I love those. My mom got my daughter some stuff. She wanted these garbage bags. I love these. They almost never have them now, so I got 5. I got some more sanitizing things. I just didn't clean them yet. But hand soap. I'm gonna have a little station to wash your hands. And guys, I finally found these at Dollar Tree. So I got like a lot. I didn't empty them out though. They said a lot more, but I did get a lot. I've been looking for 4 months for those, so I deserve to get them. And then I got, she picked pink forks. I got 2 things of tissues, and then the paper plates, and then to-go paper plates as well. She wanted these cups for the watermelon and cucumber juice I'm going to make. And then I also got this for her presents. And then these 2 things I thought were really cute, so I got those as well. And I got that bin because I wanted to. Let me put everything away now. Good morning, guys. Whew. Today is my daughter's party here at the house. It was supposed to be super small, but it's not now. So yeah, It is Peppa themed, so our backyard is already decked out, you guys. I've been working on this for honestly this whole week. Balloons one day, doing this one day, because I do most of the party stuff by myself. My mom did help with certain things. My best friend helped with the balloons, and then my husband puts up the canopies and pays for everything. So yeah, but everything came out super cute. I'm just doing last minute things, making breakfast right now, and then I'm also going to make watermelon and strawberry juice and some cucumber juice as well for the table. The cake and everything's already here. I ordered pizza that will be here after church because me and my daughter are going to church, even though my husband's staying here and still fixing. But yeah, there's quite a bit to do still. But yeah, I'm in my PJs, so please ignore the outfit. It is what it is. I'm tired. So this is what it looks like. I have a wash your hands station because I'm that person. And then I have the tables have those little things with some hand sanitizer and tissue because kids go back to school. It's going to tell you what you're getting underneath the coolers. And then I do have a snack station here. The extras are inside the garage. The garage is pretty simple. I just want here for the food, and then I have like piñatas and stuff in here. And then this is pretty much nothing. It's just like the chill area and the cars if they want to play on them. And this is where her presents are gonna go. We gotta fix the balloons when we come back. And then little fishing area, her sandbox, that guy, and her little ball house, which I'm going to actually add more balls to in a second. But yeah, that's it. Alright, so these are majority of the gifts that she actually got yesterday. I did put some of the Barbies that she got upstairs because she doesn't need to open all of those right now. She's opening the egg, the Ryan World egg that my husband got her. We were so exhausted last night that we just came inside. We cleaned up everything though, outside and inside. So all we have to really do today is pack. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. And leave this emoji down below. And I'll see you guys when we pack for Florida. Bye guys.